Hi, I am Olivia Mukherjee from second year PGDM in marketing domain. I did my internship at the Ambuja Cements Limited. I am going to share my internship experience with you all. My internship topic was to study the role of competition and the market analysis, which during the lockdown quite evidently posed a few challenges. First of all, due to the global pandemic, it was difficult to get an internship with a good company. Thankfully, I was lucky enough to land myself an opportunity for an internship at Ambuja Cements. I would suggest you guys to search and apply for internships beforehand to avoid last moment rush. Plan from today itself. For me, it worked well. I had started applying and making connections 5 months before the internship date. Due to the lockdown, it was not possible to meet the channel partners physically. So most of the interviewing had to be done online or over the call, which became really difficult to arrange and coordinate. Secondly, a lot of the regular practices which one can learn firsthand to understand the industry better was not possible due to everything being shut. Fortunately for me, these challenges made me realize a few key things which I would like to share. And first of all, ability to adapt. As the lockdown came upon us, industries went shut, business was stalled to a halt. Many of the channel partners, distributors were under a lot of pressure. So, managing with them patiently was a great challenge. During that time, to fulfill the objective of my internship, I had to communicate with them at a professional level. Understanding their sense of uncertainty, panic, I had to talk to them with empathy and ask relevant questions at the same time. That taught me a great sense of ethics and values to be working in any industry, and this improved my communication skill as well. Secondly, market analysis. During time of distress, how to understand the impulse of the market and how to position and market the product is something I have learned during my internship. Innovative strategies and cost-effective marketing can help to build a trust base with the channel partners, ensuring a strong market share as things turn to normal. If I have to talk about two most important emerging skills that one should learn, I would say technical skills in any field one wants to operate in, basics of Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint with technical know-how of the job. One will have an edge over the other in a situation where people management is not going to be the only skill required. More and more internships and professional certificates will help. Secondly, meditation I think is the single most important skill that one should learn at the time to maintain work-life balance and mental health. At times of extreme stress and uncertainty, meditation will help to keep calm and perform at the optimal level. Therefore, chances of sustenance will be higher. This has helped me a lot during my internship. And my experience at BIMTech has been great so far with my friends. The life at the hostel and late night studies, it's a new experience that I shall cherish forever. Our faculties have been extremely supportive in curriculum as well as getting the internship, as they mostly focus on practical application based learning. My company mentor and my faculty mentor helped me whenever I needed. Without their continued support and guidance, I don't think that I could have sailed through this far this smooth. I would suggest you to do various certifications online and do live projects. Start taking part in various events organized by the clubs and conduits. I have also taken part in various events and won there also, so you can win too. All the best and enjoy.